Alright guys, it's been a busy week. We have got the prototype Mark 8 intercooler from IE installed. We've got some stage 3 motor and trans mounts from Black Force Industries. We've installed the JB4 and played around with that. So today, we're about to find out if we have the fastest Mark 8 around. Alright, made it to Joe Tech. I'm really hoping this thing makes over 300 horsepower. That'd be super sick. What was it?
387 with 344 torque.
Damn.
Second one is 289, 327.
That's, the first one was 287, 289?
Yeah, 287, 344, and then 289 and 327.
Okay. Well, sweet. Alright, so I just got finished at the dyno. I'm going to go over this real quick while I'm still here. Our second run of the day made the most horsepower. We made 290 horsepower and 227 foot-pounds of torque at that run. Our first run right off the bat was 287 horsepower and 344 foot-pounds of torque. And those were both in fourth gear. The third gear pool made 278 wheel horsepower and 337 foot-pounds of torque. So it's not bad. Definitely faster. Our gain total was about 40 horsepower. We're going to take these data logs, send them in, and have a custom map made, and then hopefully get us over that 300 horsepower mark. We were pretty optimistic and hoping it would make over 300 horsepower, but definitely way better than it was, and it feels so much faster. So we'll see. Hopefully within the next couple weeks or so, we'll be able to make well over 300 horsepower. But still, I think we're the fastest Mark 8 out there. So that's pretty cool. But with all that being said, we're going to go ahead and close this video out, and we will see y'all next time.